is probably the easiest stock you will ever make. It's generally comprised of just two ingredients: dried kelp, also known as kombu, and dried bonito flakes, also called Katsuobushi. You can also make a vegetarian dashi by only using kombu, or you can have a kombu and Shitake dashi. For me, the general rule is, for every 4 cups of water, I use 10 grams of kombu and 10 grams of bonito flakes. So let's begin with the simple Kombu Dashi. Soak your kombu in cold water for 30 minutes. At the end of 30 minutes, the kombu will expand and become soft like this. Now place it over medium heat. Once you see the bubbles start to surface, turn off the heat and remove the kombu. Now, if you're making Kombu Dashi, this is it. Then all you gotta do is strain the dashi and you're good to go. Your Kombu Dashi is ready. But we're going to continue to use our Kombu Dashi to make our Bonito Kombu Dashi. Remove the Kombu Dashi from the heat and then add your 10 grams of bonito flakes to it. Let it steep till all the bonito flakes have sunk to the bottom of the pot. Next, we're going to strain the dashi to get rid of any powdery residues from the kombu and bonito. I'm lining my strainer with a paper towel so I can get the super fine bits as well. You can store your dashi in your fridge for up to 3 days. If you see a film form at the top of your dashi, it means that your dashi has boiled. You can also freeze your dashi for up to 3 months. I like using these silicone ice trays to store the dashi. Each cube is a tablespoon and it allows me to defrost just the amount I need. I'll add a link to the one I'm using in the description below. So now let's move on to the Kombu Shitake Dashi. Typically, for every 10 grams of kombu, I use about 4 shiitake mushrooms. But the shiitake mushrooms I have today are rather small, so I'm going to use 5 instead. So put your shiitake and kombu in cold water. Then cover and refrigerate for 8 hours or overnight. And that's it. Just strain your dashi and it's ready to go. So if you need your dashi sooner, you can also prepare it over the stove. Just let the shiitake and kombu soak for 30 minutes before placing it over medium heat. Then once the bubbles start to rise to the top, remove the kombu and continue cooking the shiitake. Remove any scum that surfaces to the top. When the dashi comes to a simmer, turn it down to medium-low heat and simmer gently for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove your mushrooms. Don't throw away your mushrooms, as you can still use them in other dishes such as the doenjang jjigae I shared on my channel a couple weeks ago. Next, strain your dashi like before, and in the same fashion, you can store this up to 3 to 4 days before it gets spoiled. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that thumbs up button. Next week, I'll be sharing how I make 2 different types of miso soup, so be sure to check back in. Till then, good luck in the kitchen and enjoy!